Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to Bitcoin African Story YouTube channel, and you're welcome. In case you're just joining now, you can click the subscribe button to get more notification on when we drop our next video. So in today's video, we're going to drop a video tutorial on how to interact with the Blink wallet, a step-by-step guide on how to use Blink wallet, how to create the wallet. We're going to cover it. How to send and receive. We're going to cover it. How to recover the wallet. We're going to, in case if you might lost your phone or something, we're going to also cover it. So for you to get full value in this video, make sure you watch to the end and don't fail to share it to anyone that you feel like would have good use of this video. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. I appeal to you once more again to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so let's dive into what we have for you today. Yeah, welcome guys. We're here already. So for us to download Blink, it's very easier. So if you want to download Blink, you can easily go to their website at www.blink.sv. That place you can download in the site you can download their app. That means that is the wallet from either your Android, iOS, or your Huawei device. So as of now, we are going to do a more practical version of downloading Blink Wallet. So we're going to go to our Google Play Store and and download the Blink Wallet. So let us dive into it. Yeah, so in downloading your Blink app, so you can go to the Google Play Store for your Android device. Also, you can go for the your iOS store for your iOS device. So search for the word Blink, and once you search for the word Blink, you will see the Blink wallet below, and you can easily click the wallet and install yours. But for this video, we've gotten our Blink wallet earlier, so we're going to delete this our Blink wallet we've gotten and install it back. So we want to reinstall it back to give a more practical experience to everyone watching this. Yeah, so this is me trying to delete the Blink wallet, which I successfully did, and now I'm open to Google Play Store again to download the Blink wallet. So I just go to the search bar, I type in the word Blink, and typing in the word Blink, I'm happy enough when I click the search button, I see my Blink wallet there for me to download. So now I click the install button. So for you watching this, you will click the install button. Very easy. Yeah, so when your Blink wallet has been installed, you would see this page whereby you just see Blink. So don't be afraid. Just wait for it to load, and when it loads finish, you can see, as we are seeing now, we see an option, a lot of options, like three options. Either we can create a new wallet, or we can explore the wallet, or we can log in back. So logging in back in the wallet simply means if you want to log in, whether with another device or anything, you can just simply log in with your email or your phone number. So this is how it looks. So now let's go into what we are treating today. So click the create a new wallet, and when you click this create a new wallet, you will click the accept, and now you will insert your country code and your phone number. So this is the way to create a new Blink account. Simply like this. You don't need anything else. Just accept and put in your phone number. So when you're done, you'll see something amazing. So you're going to see your Blink wallet. So what you do is that you just head on to that three line upward, and that is at the top, and you set up your lightning address. So this your lightning address is very, very amazing. You need it in order for you to receive your payment or receive Bitcoin. So you can send your lightning address to anyone and they can send you Bitcoin. It's very easy. So do way to set your lightning address. Use a name that you can easily remember, or use a number you can easily remember. So either of the two, as I'm easy, I use my own personal destiny. So yeah, let us move forward further into what we have. Thank you. So make sure you like and subscribe, and let us go into how to interact with the Blink wallet. Thank you. Yeah, so in your Blink homepage, you just go click the three dots, and when you click the three dots, you'll see a lot of things, but make sure you check your lightning address and make sure that your lightning address has been set. As I said earlier, you can use your name or something else that you can remember. So with this lightning address, you can also receive your sats, your Bitcoin. Then you go back and go to the send option. So this send option allows you to send Bitcoin, and you can send Bitcoin to another person's lightning address. So like this is an example. I'm trying to send it to one lightning address, 𝗕𝗶𝗁_𝘕_s at blink.sv. So I'm trying to send my own, to send some sats to this lightning address for some practical, which I may not do or I will do. So watch out to see if I later did it. So you can see I put 10 naira, that is 7 sats from Destiny, and I click on next. We slide, make sure you slide to confirm. Then I have successfully sent the sats here. So also you go to the receive button, and when you click the receive, you can see the your lightning invoice. So this place you see lightning, you can also see pay code. So this pay code is still there, and you can see on-chain. So the on-chain is the normal Bitcoin chain. So the lightning invoice can expire within 24 hours, while the pay code can never expire. It is static, it stays like that. You can receive donations from there anywhere you want. So I'm trying to share my lightning pay code, which is my lightning address, to my X account. So you can see here is my lightning address, destiny@blink.sv. So people can actually make donations to you with your lightning address. So then this scan option is, you can easily scan someone's invoice. Yeah. So now this convert option is for anyone that wants to opt out from Bitcoin volatility. You know, a Bitcoin price goes up and goes down. So converting your Bitcoin to dollar make it very easier for you to opt out from any scenario whereby the price of Bitcoin comes below what you expect. So if you're a merchant owner, if you have a store and you receive Bitcoin transaction daily, you can opt in for this convert option and convert your Bitcoin to dollar, so that the volatility of Bitcoin, which is the price of Bitcoin going up or down, will not affect your everyday buying and selling. Yeah, so that is it for today's tutorial. So if you love today's tutorial, let us know in the comment section, and if you want more of this, also let us know. So as usual, comment the next best video tutorial you would love to see. So thanks for watching.